Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Music Police there again. Can we react to Silk Boss, So Cold? So, we know Silk Boss then at the UK with Brie and Terror. And big up Terror. You see me? Big moves. I like the moves there. Even though some little shenanigans come out of the media, brother, on the go and do the thing, brother. Now make them thing they stop on you. You see me? Just go and do the thing, dog. And hopefully this become a lesson going forward. You see me? And if people know me I talk about them, can take it as a lesson as well and don't get caught up to the same fuck me. Big up Iwater in the UK too. So this Silk Boss So Cold. I think bring another video too. I not see it yet, I not watch it yet, but the thumbnail of the video tell me every night. So let's go.
Nation. Them chat about the things to bring me down, but me no shake. And me alone I try the road dog until the day. Me left here time me go meet God at the heaven gate. Me smoke the herbs to calm me nerves because them friend are fake. And if me ever pray them that me kill them 10 a day. And watch the pussy marrow splash the wall just like a yellow paint. Them can't escape in time that take a spray. I rebury a blaze. Me so cold, yeah, so cold. I fridge with this no cold.
Me I wonder if when him realize say he might get a show at England, if he make the song at Jamaica and say yo make a music video at England, or he make that video or make the song when time the fuck go to England and know say yo fuck we go down. Knowing him probably make it in England. Him quick them with it, him bad them with it. So
and if me ever pray them that me kill them 10 a day. And watch the pussy marrow splash the wall just like a yellow paint. Them can't escape in time that take a spray. I rebury a blaze. Me so cold, yeah, so cold. So cold, they are chilling I fridge with this no cold. So cold, yeah, so cold. So cold, they are chilling I fridge with this no cold. Me can't trust, cause people don't real and I talk so. Mommy tell me if you sick, if you ball up. And every time I try do it for me heart broke. God help me, God tell Bree say me heart still a bleed. And my scars could heal, cause my friend just gone and I dark me a pray. So cold, yeah, so cold.
One thing good even now, him not left him Bree no way no. No matter when, him not left him Bree no brother. Him not leaving him Bree. That me a talk about.
So cold, they are chilling I fridge with this no cold. So cold, me so cold. So cold, they are chilling I fridge with this no cold. Them I have a bag of things that try to scandal my name. But if I want something for scandal, buy a bag pan the main. Cup a flight to your brain, cold like England rain. Get to cheddar for days, take a flight on a plane.
Me like that, pussy. If you don't want something for scandal, go buy a bag pan the main. Go buy a bag pan the main. What fuck? Hey, come on for my name, brother. Come on for my name. Don't try that. Don't do that. Wrong thing. Wrong bang. Don't do it. You like the party? Second verse I go hold me and out.
So cold, yeah, so cold. So cold, they are chilling I fridge with this no cold. So cold. Things that try to scandal my name. But if I want something for scandal, buy a bag pan the main. Cup a flight to your brain, cold like England rain. Get to cheddar for days, take a flight on a plane. Never flap, never fail, you can't send me a jail.
Never flap, never fail. This is a message, dog. That song you write England. That song you write after the whole fucker come out with you. Because the promoter forward pan the gram and I say, yo, them flap. In my eye water flap. England and thing. And I'm gonna say, yo, listen, none of that. Wrong thing you talk though. Don't do that something there to my name. Watch a party.
So cold, yeah, chilling I fridge with this no cold. bag of things that try to scandal my name. But if I want something for scandal, buy a bag for the main. Cup a flight to your brain, cool like England rain. Get to cheddar for days, take a flight on a plane. Never flap, never fail, you can't send me a jail. Then I see me amazing. They make a chat, me no hear. Little boy better behave, cause my fans them a praise me. Me so cool, yeah, so cool.
Vocals for days. Yo, knowing how terrorists here, cause obviously terror they are England with them too. Knowing how terrorists here, terrorists say, yo, brother, I say all of this negative we talk, brother, drop a song. Write a song. Go to the studio, write a song. Make a video to England. In a tracksuit and clocks. Big up terror. We can't stop big up youth. You have the great things for the youth. And the youth have the great things for you also. So, working together as a team, we're not doing nothing, brother. I like it. You see me? Stick on the road, my G. Enough obstacles that go forward on the way. Jump over them. Pertaining to the song, Silk Boss never fail. Silk Boss not fail yet. And don't look out anytime soon to see the G fail. The boss not fail. The boss do it. I like that. You see me? And the fact say in travel with them whole team, you don't know say Bree there with him, and like me say manager Terror there with him. So yeah, everybody I eat a food. So big up on yourself, dog. That's why I'm gonna leave the one here. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video, please subscribe, and if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You hear that? Peace.